Hello everyone, welcome back to our another video. So this is our C++ playlist. This is our video 2. So here again we will learn some more thing about C++. Okay. So how are you all? How was your day? And welcome back to Code for Kids. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. So as you can see, this is our previous project. So now today in this video, we are going to learn about how you can add a new line. Okay. For example, this is our first statement. We want to write one more cout statement like a cout the hash, then inside your double quotes. For example, I want to write my name is Shraddha Singh. Now, after this, once you will run this, what you will get the result as you can see. So you will get I'm learning C++ from Code for Kids. The second thing you will get my name is Shraddha Singh, but you will not get any space here. Okay, because see after this we continue this. If you want a new line like after Code for Kids, so for that we can add slash n. Slash n means new line. Now see if you will execute, you will get one new line. After Code for Kids, you will get new line. What will happen if you will write only n? So this n will print. Okay, you will not get a new line. You will get I'm learning C++ from Code for Kids and then my name. So it is compulsory you have to write slash n, which is new line. So now suppose you want to add two new lines. So for that you need to write two times slash n. So what you will get? You will get two new lines here, like two slash n. So in this way, we can add slash n, which is new line. Okay. After that, we will learn one more thing, which is comments. Okay. So why we are using the comments? So in every programming language, comments is we can say useful. So we can say comment can be used to explain C++ code and to make it more readable. We can use C++ comment to prevent the execution when we are testing the alternative codes. So this comment can be, we can say single line comment or multi-line comment. Okay. So the very first thing, like see in Word, all the peoples they are not we can say IT person. They don't know. There are some people they don't know what is this coding. So if you will say this code to any non-IT person, like they don't know the coding, they will not understand this. But if you will write any extra information about this code, so they will get it very easily. For example, what is this hash include IOStream? They don't know. But if you will write any extra information, so they will understand this, right? So here we can say this is our header file. This is our header file. So this is a single line comments. Like you can write this comment in only one line. So this is called a single line. If you will run, so what will happen? Our compiler will not execute this. You will get only this output. Okay. This is just for understanding purpose about this line. After that, suppose I want to write this is main method. Okay. So if you will run, you will get only this output. Why? Because this is, we can say this comment is just for understanding purpose. So whatever you will write in a single line with the help of this double slash, okay? So what you will get that as a comment and don't confuse with this and this slash. This is our, we can say forward slash and this is our backward. Okay. So this is for new line and this one is for comments. So this is our single line comment. What happen if you want to add multi-line? Like there are some information, they are more, we can say we have to elaborate on that. Okay. So how you will write your multi-line comments? So you can write your multi-line comment which will start with slash star. Okay. You need to add your star symbol and close with star slash. Okay. Now, if you will execute, you will not get anything. Why? Because this we commented. Okay. So, if you want multiple line, for that we can use this multi-line comment, which will start with slash star, end with star slash, and this is our single line comment. Okay, so in this way we can add a new line, we can add our single line comments, and we can add our multi-line comment. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. This is our video 2 in C++ playlist. Thank you so much.